Okay, Assalamualaikum guys. So good morning. So today we'll continue with the chapter 4 known as the aromatic compounds. Alright, here is the subtopics involved in this chapter 4. So you need to learn about the nomenclature. This is as mentioned before is usual. You need to learn the nomenclature from chapter 2 until chapter 9. Okay, so the second one is structure and aromaticity. Reaction of benzene. This is the core of this topic, right? So you need to learn about the halogenation of benzene, nitration of benzene, sulfonation of benzene, Friedel-Crafts. There is two types of Friedel-Crafts. First is Friedel-Crafts acylation, and the second one is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Different, eh? Acylation and alkylation. And the last one is you will learn about side chain reaction. There is two types of side chain reaction. So later I will tell you. And then the important part is effect of substituent on the reactivity. So for 4.3 reaction of benzene, this is benzene alone. React with halogen, react with nitration, nitric acid, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, and also Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So benzene alone react with this, but bila benzene dah ada function group dalam tu yang masuk dalam dia, dah ada dalam structure, so benda lain nak masuk, ada atom lain ataupun compound lain nak masuk dalam structure, so kena tengok yang 4.4 effect of substituent on the reactivity. So which is the compound yang dah ada dalam tu, dalam functional group yang dah sedia ada dalam benzene, dia nak orang lain nak masuk, kena dengar nasihat daripada, need a permission from the benzene, from the functional group yang dah ada, sedia ada. And then the last part is uses of benzene and toluene as usual. Okay. Meanwhile, this is an important handout that you need to have, right, when you want to learn to naming aromatic compounds, especially for polysubstitute benzene. Okay, so there is a monosubstitute benzene, disubstitute benzene, and polysubstitute benzene. For monosubstitute benzene, dah mudah. Like this lah. For example, you have the benzene, and then you have the C double bond OOH or COOH. So in one position, so known as a benzoic acid. This is a common name, benzoic acid. This one is second one, benzene sulfonic acid. The third one, you have aldehyde. The name will be benzaldehyde. OH will be phenol. This is common name that you need to use, right? NH2, when you have amine in your structure attached to benzene ring, so the name will be aniline. The aniline is very useful, especially in pharmaceutical industry. All right, and then this one you have a OCH3, so this COC, so ether, so known as a anisole, and the last one is toluene, okay, which is your benzene attached to one methyl group, so known as a toluene. Toluene is very useful untuk buat dalam industry, buat pin and so on. So you need to remember, this arrow indicate that decreasing priority. So meaning that if, let's say, this one for naming for polysubstitute benzene, when you have, if let's say you have C double bond OOH, the carboxylic acid attached to your benzoic benzene, adalah juga dalam tu ada OH satu kat situ. So siapa lebih priority, OH or C double bond OOH? So nak naming, parents dia akan dapat C double bond OH, itulah sebagai punya parent. So benzoic acid, OH tadi tu akan jadi you punya substituent. So substituent awak tu adalah nama dia apa? Bila OH akan tukar jadi hydroxyl ataupun hydroxo. So dalam struktur awak, kalau dikata position pada carbon number 2, numbering start pada C double bond OOH ni 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So which is pada carbon number 2 ada OH, so namanya 2-hydroxyl benzoic acid, something like that. So this table is very important. This diagram kena ingat lah following this. Okay, you need to have by your own. Okay, next we proceed to try this. You need to try to give the names or the structure. Berubah sikit. So I think here you have for the A, you have NH2, you have methyl, and you have Br here. This is Br. There's something wrong somewhere here. It's okay. Br, and then this B you have OH, you have ethyl, you have amine, you have aldehyde. For C you have C-O is ketone, carboxylic acid, nitro, and methyl. So first of all, you need to identify which one will act as your parents or the top priority. Please highlight. Okay, and then you will proceed to this one also, naming priority. For naming priority, highest ranking to lowest ranking, I give it to you. Untuk memudahkan awak juga, you can use the left side or the right side. There's right side daripada saya cari kat Google ni, dapat juga. So sama juga kalau sesiapa yang masih tak faham. Acid, carboxylic acid, C-OH, sulfonic acid, ester, C-OOR, acid amide, C-ONH2, acid chloride, nitrile, aldehyde, ketone. So aldehyde parity is higher compared to ketone. So ini kena betulkan sebelah. So dia bagi mention kat sini jugalah. Ada naming dia, prefix dia oxo. For aldehyde is formyl. Kita guna pakai formyl. Okay, for alcohol is hydroxy or hydroxyl, still acceptable. Alright, so next is this is the electrophilic substitution reaction. This saya mention tadi. You need to remember when you use benzene as a starting material, each setiap bucu dalam you punya benzene ada 6 bucu. Setiap bucu ada 1 hidrogen. Alright, sebab formula for this benzene adalah C6H6. So when react with any types of halogen with the presence of sulfuric acid or FeX3. So if let's say here you have Br, your X3 also Br3. Okay, so you can remember this reagent very important. You need to know the first reagent yang nak masuk dan juga you punya reagent yang nak sebagai dia punya catalyst. So dia akan replace. Maksudnya electrophilic substitution. Substitution adalah penukaran, tindak balas penukaran electrophilic. So dia akan tukar X1, H yang keluar dari sini akan ambil X ke sebelah tu, jadi halobenzene. So it depends, if let's say Br jadi bromobenzene and so on. Nitration react with nitric acid with presence of sulfuric acid, and then yang masuk dalam tu adalah NO2, so nitrobenzene. Sulfonation, you react with SO3 plus sulfuric acid. This is must. I said dua-dua ni perlu ada. Kalau satu je letak tak ada sulfuric acid, tak akan dapat benzene sulfuric acid ni. So kena dua-dua kena tahu. Meanwhile, for electrophilic substitution followed by Friedel-Crafts alkylation, so meaning that you have alkyl here, CH3, and Cl, your punya halogen. So meaning that this is alkyl halide. Okay, so the alkyls here yang akan masuk dalam dia akan tukar ganti. H akan ambil Cl, CH3 akan masuk replace tempat hydrogen. Alright, in presence of AlCl3 boleh, FeCl3 pun boleh, depends pada type of you punya halogen yang ada kat sini. So akan jadi toluene. Right, this one is alkylation. Alkylation banyak kan, so ada methyl, ethyl, propyl and so on. So you kena tengok contoh apa soalan dia bagi. And then the last one is Friedel-Crafts acylation. So bila acylation meaning that dia contains of C-OCl, CH3. So meaning that you have 1, 2 carbon. Okay, Cl, H akan ambil Cl, so dia akan jadi HCl kat situ. Yang terputus adalah pada carbon dengan Cl ni. Carbon dengan Cl. So carbon tu yang akan buat bonding, bukannya CH3 di ujung ni. Alright, so this acylation adalah produk daripada derivative of carboxylic acid. Okay, this table also you need to have this one dia punya summarize of reagent required reagent and also catalyst. So if let's say you tengok kat sini untuk halogenation, alkylation, acylation semua guna AlCl3 boleh guna pakai. So just remember satu je catalyst, halogenation, alkylation and acylation. AlCl3 catalyst dia. Meanwhile sulfonation and nitration you guna sulfuric acid. Okay, this is reagent, main reagent yang masuk. Okay, this table is very important bila kita nak guna pakai, bila dah ada tuan rumah. I mean you dah ada satu dalam struktur benzin, you dah ada satu functional group. So bila orang nak masuk, contohnya yang nak masuk tu adalah amin. So amin kena minta permission daripada tuan rumah yang dah ada, yang functional group yang sedia ada. So contoh you have methyl. So methyl adalah ni activating group, diklasifikasi sebagai sebab R. R ni adalah untuk alkyl group. NH2 OH OR NHC1 OCH3 adalah position akan hasilkan dua produk ortho para director. If let's say any halogen nak masuk pun sama, dia akan masuk ortho para director. So you have satu ortho punya structure plus dengan para punya compounds structure. Meanwhile if let's say you have tuan rumah tu dah ada, contohnya you dah ada tuan rumah tu carboxylic acid, for example like this C1OOH, yang nak masuk tu adalah Cl. Cl nak masuk kena minta permission daripada C1OOH. OH cakap boleh masuk tapi dalam position meta, so meaning that you produce one product only. So this one you have carboxylic acid, ester. This one acylation. So sulfonic acid, cyanate, NO2 plus NR3. So this one so semua akan hasilkan meta director. So bila nak buat soalan ni yang berkaitan effect of substituent group on the benzene ring, you need to refer to this table. That's very easy actually. Okay, and the last one is reaction of toluene. So this is a side chain reaction. So you already learned here reaction of toluene, reaction of the benzene ring, so which is electrophilic substitution, addition, reaction of hydrogenation. But the important part, the side chain reaction, you akan buat dua ni. So if let's say reaction of the methyl or alkyl group, dalam struktur awak tu ada methyl or toluene or alkyl group yang panjang itu, bila berlaku substitution, halogenation in presence of UV, so dia akan berlaku pada side chain saja. Dia tak berlaku keseluruhan, tapi dia akan berlaku pada side chain. Side chain ni secara sedikit je lah. Tapi bila oxidation, bila ada group alkyl group, bila ada oxidation you still need to remember by using the potassium permanganate, strong oxidizing agent, and reflux with a acidified condition. So it will turn all the alkyl group attached to the benzene into carboxylic acid. So that's all. So next is uses of benzene and toluene. So you need to know a bit. So benzene, a solvent for oils and fats, starting material for making other chemical. For example, benzene is used in the cumin process to produce phenol. So cumin ni agak berbahaya juga. So tapi dia biasanya akan produce untuk phenol, making organic compounds such as phenyl, ethene, styrene. So styrene ni polystyrene yang you guna pakai hari-hari tu, semua guna pakai nitrobenzene. This one compound are then used to make plastic, dyes and nylon. And the last one, uses of toluene, common solvent able to dissolve paint, thinner, silicon sealant and so on, as a coolant nuclear reactor system loops. So banyak as a solvent to create a solution of carbon nanotube. Deacylation to benzene in industrial use, as an octane booster in gasoline fuel used in internal combustion engine. So ini pembakaran kereta, ada yang orang jual kat beli minyak kereta tu, dia kata ni booster untuk minyak pembakaran lebih lancar untuk sebuah kereta, enjin kereta, ada jual tu. Tapi saya tak galakkan lah beli sebab tak berapa boleh dipercayai lah. Okay, so kalau nak betul-betul pergi kat kedai yang betul. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much.